Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're gonna do a zombie look, and I was inspired by one of Mikey's videos that she did with like the falling out eyeball. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So first thing I did was clean off the surface, like clean off the eye that I was gonna be working on, and I'm pretty much just sizing the cotton pad that I got. I didn't have the round ones, so what I did was I just cut the squared one that I had into a round shape so it can fit really nicely onto the eye. And then I go in with some Vaseline because we want to protect the brow hairs. I didn't put any on my lashes because I didn't soak that cotton with latex, so I was completely fine with not putting any on my lashes, but definitely needed to put some on the brow hairs so that they don't get pulled out with liquid latex. So as you guys see here, resizing it again before I go ahead and apply some latex. So the liquid latex that I'm using is from MiaAdoraBeauty, and I am using the skin tone one, the flesh tone color. I didn't have any clear one, like the clear liquid latex on hand. I do really prefer that one just because it dries a little bit more transparent and it's easier to camouflage and, you know, paint over. So as you guys see here, I put a little bit of liquid latex down, and then I applied the cotton pad, and then I'm gonna apply some more on the edges so it can stick a lot better. So once we coated the cotton pad just how we want it to be, I went ahead and I took some cotton balls, unrolled it, and then just started to pull pieces apart. And now we're gonna build, I think it's like the actual eye socket, I don't know, but pretty much we want to make like a circular shape so it can look like that's the area where, you know, the eyeball actually came out of and everything. So yeah, I guess, yeah, like the eye socket where, you know, the lid is usually at. So I'm just using cotton balls and I'm making a circle type shape and everything like that. So you guys see here, that's pretty much how it looks. So then I'm gonna go on to the face, and I didn't clean off any makeup on the face. I kind of just left it as is, but I'm just applying little pieces of cotton in certain areas to make certain like wounds and like floppy skin or rotting skin type textures. And I just pretty much apply the liquid latex in the area, add some cotton, and then apply more liquid latex over. And I did, you know, all type of little wounds and stuff, and I did that all over the face. I'm just like losing my train of thought here. And then what you want to do as well is you want to make sure that the layers of liquid latex and cotton that you are placing, that you are letting them dry in between. You don't want to just keep adding, because then what's going to happen is it's just going to take a lot longer for the liquid latex to dry. And you definitely just want to make sure that it is dry before you do anything. So I guess I wasn't recording when I did the rest of the eyeball. So to do the eyeball portion, like hanging, what I did was I took like 2 cotton balls together and then just rolled them together in some liquid latex to make the actual eyeball. And then to make the hanging part, I don't know what it's called, but I just pretty much unrolled a cotton ball and then soaked that into some liquid latex, and then I connected the 2 pieces together, and then I connected it to the actual eyeball area, if that makes any sense. But that's what I did for the eyeball, to, you know, create an eyeball hanging from the daggone eye. And here I'm just pretty much painting. So I took some water activated paints. This brand is called Tag, I believe. So I took the really pale beigey color, and I'm just applying that all over the face just to get like that deadly sickly look. And then I'll go in with some brown. This one is more of like a reddish brown, so I put it inside the actual eyeball area, and then I do put it in some of the deepest parts of the wounds that I did on the face. So in the cut that's on my cheek, I have like a little area on my chin, and on the other cheek and the forehead. So I pretty much did that, and you're gonna see me like go back and forth with paints. I also go in with my Mehron Paradise paints. I use the red out of that, and as well as the green and the yellow from that palette, so you guys are gonna see me do that as well. And I do use a stipple sponge as well. The stipple sponge is from Mehron as well, and I just use the stipple sponge to pretty much create texture around the skin. So right here I'm using the green paint that I was talking about from Mehron. So I continue to add different texture and paint colors just to get the look that I'm going for. You don't have to have a gray zombie, you don't have to have a brown zombie, or like a white cast looking zombie. Your zombie can be any color. You can do completely green if you wanted to. So I kind of did like a mixture of colors just to get a weird infected type of zombie. So that's what I did, and then you guys are gonna see me like go in with blood and everything, but that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys enjoy this first Halloween look. I'm super excited for all the looks that are I'm gonna be bringing out to you guys. I am doing 31 days of Halloween on my Instagram, so you guys can see all of the looks that I'm gonna do for Halloween on there, so make sure you guys are following me on there, and also make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you guys like videos like this, and make sure you guys are turning on post notifications, so all you gotta do is hit that bell and you guys will get notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you so much.